Ayun. Look. Oh, look at your face. Oh, look. Your teeth. Brush. Ay, pungkot niya. Paano natin ito sa mabrushan kung ganito? Ting. Yan. Brush your teeth. Brush. This is the brush your
Very good. Aba, very good ang baby ko na yan.
Yan. Brush.
Aba.
Kasi nilunok mo.
Ira.
Brush.
First time niyang mag-brush na kanyang teeth. Oh, 14 months. Brushing her teeth.
Brush.
Aba,
Dila pa.
aba. Oh,
Ang tatang pa, be.
aba. Oh.
Ha?
Very good. Oh, aba.
Ang cute. Buti na lang cute. Brush.
14 months.
Brush.
On her first toothbrush.
Dapat sinunok niya yung
First time to
kanya.
brush her teeth.
Meron po siyang baby toothbrush, baby toothpaste. Kaya ewan ko kung nilunok niya, okay lang ba yun? Again. This brush. No. Say it for the teeth, ah. Ha? Teeth.
Okay na.
Sabi, dila naman, dila, ah.
Oh,
Ha?
dila.
Dila. Tang.
Aspirate, ha?
Sige, brush.
Aba. Inumawa ko.
Okay, brush your teeth. Brush.
Brush. Brush your teeth. Come, brush your teeth. Brush.
Brush your teeth. Yeah, show your teeth na ba kung okay na, kung clean na. Show your teeth na ba kung clean na, Ray.
Okay na.
Okay na! Yay!
Congratulations.
Congratulations on your toothpaste done brushing! Show your toothbrush muna. Show them your toothbrush. This is my toothbrush. Very cute. Parang toothpick.
Okay na.
Okay na. Bye!